China has revealed some incredible modes of transportation that have left the entire industry and the world in shock. These innovations are far beyond what anyone might have expected from China. Starting with the SkyTrain, to self-driving buses, to a car that can drive on water and even perform a tank turn. There's also a car that can drive on 3 wheels in case one of the 4 wheels is punctured or damaged. Additionally, there's a pilotless air taxi that flies fully autonomously, and even a vehicle that can both drive on the road and fly in the air, offering better convenience in transportation. As we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button with the bell notification turned on, so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. The first innovation we'll explore is China's driverless SkyTrain, an incredible feat that can carry between 88 to 200 passengers through the air without consuming power for its operation. During its launch, the SkyTrain, known as the Red Rail, marked the world's first suspended maglev line. How does the train remain stable and move smoothly without a driver to provide instructions or take action to stop the floating train? The SkyTrain stays attached using permanent magnets that don't require electricity or any other forms of power to avoid falling. The 2,600-foot-long SkyTrain is propelled by a linear motor and the repulsion of magnets, allowing it to move smoothly. The train operates at a speed of 50 miles per hour, with the potential to reach 75 miles per hour, while suspended 32 feet above the ground, which prevents collisions with cars or obstacles when traveling through buildings. Researchers have implemented new technologies and artificial intelligence to ensure the safe operation of the train. The main purpose behind China building the SkyTrain is to help people commute from large airports and complement subways and light rail systems. This technology aims to position China as a global leader in transportation, and this train might be difficult for other countries to replicate, as China controls over 80% of the world's permanent magnet production capacity due to its dominance in rare earth supply. Next, China is now leading the automotive industry with their latest models, the BYD Yang Wang U8 and BYD Yang Wang U9. BYD, one of China's largest automakers, has unveiled an extraordinary off-road SUV and a sports car that competes with high-end vehicles from European and American automakers, featuring innovations that have not been seen in previous powerful cars. The Yang Wang U8 is not just a luxury car, but a powerful vehicle with the remarkable ability to drive in water and swim across rivers up to 1,400 milliliters deep without damaging the vehicle's powertrain. When the Yang Wang U8 detects water, all windows automatically close, the suspension rises to its highest level. The sunroof opens for emergency exits, the air conditioning switches to internal circulation, and the internal combustion engine shuts down if the water depth is deemed too high. The Yang Wang U8 is rated IP68 waterproof and can float for up to 30 minutes at a speed of 3 kilometers per hour. In addition, it can move sideways and perform a tank turn, which allows the U8 to rotate 360 degrees on the spot. This feature is particularly useful in tight spaces. The Yang Wang U8 also boasts off-road capabilities, with a combined output of 1,180 horsepower and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The U8 is powered by a combination of an internal combustion engine and electric motors, similar to a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Like the Yang Wang U8, the sports car version, the Yang Wang U9, is the fastest luxury sports car ever made by a Chinese automaker. The Yang Wang U9 is designed to compete with powerful vehicles, such as the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, Lamborghini Huracan Performante, Rimac Nevera, and Pininfarina Battista. The U9 accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, which is close to the Rimac Nevera's 1.7 seconds and comparable to the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and Porsche 918 Spider, which both clock in at around 2 seconds. The Yang Wang U9 can perform a tank turn and drive on 3 wheels if one tire loses traction or gets punctured. The car also features the latest DIS's active suspension system, an advanced technology that adjusts the height of each wheel independently for optimal performance and comfort. This allows the U9 to perform a brief vertical jump by first lowering itself and then bouncing upward, lifting all 4 wheels off the ground simultaneously. Competitors like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, Rimac Nevera, and Pininfarina Battista are priced hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars more than the BYD Yang Wang U9. While the U9 is priced at $200 and $33,400, providing potential buyers with the opportunity to own a powerful luxury car at a more affordable price. Guangzhou Autonomous Driving Bus. A city in China, Guangzhou, has introduced 50 autonomous self-driving buses, equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving technology. These buses use two 64-line LiDARs to detect objects within a 200-meter range, gather three-dimensional information, and determine the distance, orientation, and motion of surrounding objects. In addition, 12 high-definition cameras capture real-time images in a 360 degrees field of view, with no blind spots, enabling the detection and identification of lane lines, traffic lights, signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles. The driverless bus offers voice control, allowing passengers to adjust the air conditioning and lighting. It also features a USB port and a slow brake button, which passengers can use to stop the bus in case of an emergency. The autonomous bus can seat up to 6 passengers, and entry is booked through reservations. A similar self-driving vehicle active in other countries is the Waymo One in San Francisco and other locations around the world. The progress of self-driving vehicles is truly remarkable, as many automakers strive to incorporate this technology into personal vehicles. Xpeng X2. China has also made significant advancements in flying cars with the Xpeng X2, which was launched in Dubai, where it made its first public flight in front of 150 attendees. The Xpeng X2 is a two-seater flying car designed for future low-altitude city flights, ideal for short-distance journeys like sightseeing and medical transportation. It is made from a carbon fiber structure to reduce weight, and the flight can be controlled manually or autonomously with simple start, return, and landing operations at the touch of a button. The X2 flying car is expected to be delivered in 2026, with a starting price of $280,000. The Xpeng X2 has undergone 20,000 flight tests and weighs 680 kilograms with a maximum payload of 160 kilograms. The Xpeng X2 is powered by motors and a battery, allowing it to fly for 35 minutes. Parachutes are also installed inside the car in case of motor failure. While the Yangwang U8 and U9 have their unique features, there is another car that has made headlines for its impressive fast-charging capabilities, the NIO ET9. This electric car boasts a fast-charging speed that can add up to 158 miles of driving range in just 5 minutes. The NIO ET9 is a luxury vehicle with 697 horsepower and can fully charge its battery in under 20 minutes using a fast charger. It competes with other high-end cars like the Mercedes-Benz EQS and BMW i7. The interior of the NIO ET9 is equipped with a 15.6-inch central touchscreen and two 14.6-inch individual touchscreens for backseat passengers, ensuring a comfortable and entertaining journey. There is also a foldable table that can be used as a work surface or dining table, as well as a refrigerator inside the car. The NIO ET9 starts at $112,800, making it a strong contender in the luxury electric car market. When discussing advanced flying cars, the GAC Gove, made by a Chinese automaker, stands out. This futuristic vehicle is made of 90% lightweight materials, and its submarine-style doors open to reveal a single-passenger cabin. The interior includes a touchscreen that passengers can use to select their destination. The prototype suggests that the GAC Gove can also be operated using voice commands. When the passenger is ready to take flight, the cabin detaches from the main frame and is lifted by fans. This type of technology makes it feel like the next Batman movie could be filmed in China. The EHang 216S is another innovative form of transportation developed by the Guangzhou Hang Intelligent Technology Company. This two-seater aircraft is powered by 16 propellers and can fly for 25 minutes with a range of 30 to 40 kilometers. What makes the EHang 216S unique is that it is fully autonomous, although it is monitored by a customer command and control center. The EHang 216S has received permission for special operations in China and a flight operations certificate for test flights in Quebec, Canada. To compete with China's advanced transportation technologies, various manufacturers around the world have introduced their own groundbreaking inventions. One such example is Jump Aero, a California-based aviation manufacturer, which is developing the world's fastest sustainable personal aircraft. The GA1 Pulse is a one-passenger eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing. aircraft designed to transport medical personnel to injured patients in half the time it takes an ambulance. This single-seat aircraft is intended for one-way flights, enabling medics to provide critical care and stabilize patients as quickly as possible. Another innovative vehicle is the SkyTrain, an urban or highway two-wheeled vehicle with seats for 5 passengers. This autonomous vehicle has no steering wheel, making it fully self-driving. The SkyTrain features a car spoiler, large taillight, and the ability to handle big bumps, despite its two-wheeled design. Taking transportation technology to a whole new level is the Driverless LMV 496, the world's first flying motorcycle. Designed by French bike maker Ludovic Lazaret, this motorcycle can transform from riding to flying in just a minute. It is equipped with 4 JetCat jet turbines, one in each wheel, producing 1,300 horsepower of thrust. The Driverless LMV 496 can fly for about 10 minutes at speeds up to 120 miles per hour. On land, it can drive up to 60 miles and is street legal. Lazaret plans to sell 5 of these flying motorcycles at a price of $500,000. For safety, the wheels are equipped with parachutes in case of an emergency during flight. To stay updated on these incredible vehicles and other groundbreaking transportation technologies, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. Thanks for watching.